the role of deputy governors. We have Hilary Barchok, who is going to be sworn in shortly as the substantive governor of Bomet County. And of course, that follows the tragic demise of the late governor, Joyce Laboso. We are now joined by Bridget Ngana, who is covering that event. Bridget, what is happening at the moment?
So we're back to the Bomet Green Stadium. These are the same grounds that sometime last week the remains of the late Governor Joyce Laboso were brought here for the public to bid their final farewells. But today the scene is different. The tents are up, the people are coming in, and in a few minutes or so, in the coming few hours or minutes or so, we will have the third governor of Bomet County, Dr. Hilary Barchok. We did a profile on him that ran on air last night, but just a brief on somebody who does not know who Dr. Hilary Barchok is. He is a career educationist, 46 years of age. He deputized the late Joyce Laboso for 2 years, and he was just plucked from the lecture halls at Chuka University. He says he has also worked as a director at the Retirement Benefits Authority. He is also a career teacher, starting off as a high school teacher, going forward, improving on his education, and now he is a university don. Some people have said he is very soft-spoken, and there has been some speculation that he is not ripe for the politics or the vibrancy or the heated politics that come with the title of the governorship. But he has said just because he's silent, he should not be mistaken for somebody who's not in charge. He has also said that he has been manning the office of the governor since the late governor was hospitalized in various occasions, and also in the country and outside the country. But what is happening on the ground at the Bomet Green Stadium right now is that people are coming in, the officials are coming in, the members of county assembly are coming in. There are a lot of expectations coming to this new governor as he comes into office, one of them being the 1 billion shilling mother and baby center that was the vision of the late Governor Joyce Laboso. He is being tasked with implementing this big and immense project for such a small county. He has also been pleading with the national government for support, but they say that the plans were already underway. It was just a matter of execution, and he is looking forward for support, not just from the national government, but other partners who are going to help him implement this project for the people of Bomet. I think, or it was the vision of the former governor, that the women of this country should get quality health care, and I think the issue of infant mortality and maternal mortality was really close to the heart of the late governor. In our conversation with him just before he assumed office, or he's going to assume office in these grounds, he said that he would like to be the governor who saw the realization of the vision of the late Governor Joyce Laboso. She has been the daughter of this soil. Despite her being married off in Kisumu County, she was the daughter who chose to remain home and help the people of this county achieve their vision and mission. Barchok comes into office at a time when this Bomet County is being faced with the various challenges. The expectations of the people are that he will help the farmers here, the dairy farmers, get good value for their market for milk. There's also the road network. There's also the issue of water. They're talking about improving the quality of water, or access for people to get water and clean water for that matter. There's also the rise of cancer in this country, and this county. There was a research that was done some time back that there are 2 beverages that people in Bomet consume that would be the reason why esophageal cancer is on the rise. And this county is leading in the country as one that there are many cases that are reported to have esophageal cancer. So he is coming into office at a time where people are looking to him to also provide solutions to that. What we did find out in our engagements or in our moves here is that Bomet County lacks the diagnostic capacity for esophageal cancer. This is the cancer of the esophagus that some researchers have said is being brought about by the consumption of more sick and hot fluids. But these are something that are still yet to be determined or clarified. But he is expected to improve in the 3 years on the legacy of the late Joyce Laboso. And in a matter of minutes, the dais is set, the people are on the grounds, and Dr. Hilary Barchok will be getting into power as the third governor of Bomet County. I'll be following up on that and maybe some of the highlights that will come up from this event. Olive.
Bridget Singana stays on that story. She's given us a bit of detail about the event that's taking place this morning. Let me give you a bit more information. Deputy President William Ruto is expected to be the chief guest at the swearing-in ceremony at the Bomet Green Stadium in Sotik. Kericho High Court Judge George Dulu is expected to conduct the function, and that, of course, is according to County Secretary Evelyn Rono. And as Bridget mentioned, Barchok will become the third governor after the late Laboso and the first governor, Isaac Ruto.